Welcome to Labii tutorial. Labii is the next-generation research platform that seamlessly integrates electronic lab notebook and laboratory information management system, with high customization and widget extendability for a variety of disciplines. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Serial Port widget to communicate other equipment via Serial Port. Serial Port is a widget that can read data from a serial port, and support RS-232 communication protocol. The widget has a user interface that allows the user to configure the serial port settings, such as baud rate and number of data bits, and display the incoming data in a readable format, and write data back to device. In order to get started, you will need to add a column with Serial Port widget. In the first step, I will demonstrate how to read data from a serial port. As a test device, I will use a BBC microbit. Select a project and type the record name. Click the Connect button of the Serial Port column. In the pop-out window, choose Microbit. Press button A from your microbit. The field shall able to receive the current temperature. Click Disconnect to disconnect the serial port. Click Submit button to submit. Next step, I will show you how to write data into serial port. Click the Write button to send text to microbit. In the pop-out window, choose Microbit. You shall see the text Labii displayed in your microbit. Click Disconnect to disconnect the serial port. To support the research community and simplify data transfer, Labii is dedicated to developing more serial port-related widgets that facilitate communication between Labii and research equipment. By providing a wide range of software solutions for different equipment types, Labii aims to make data transfer more efficient, reliable, and accessible for researchers. This will allow researchers to focus on their work and minimize the time spent on technical details. With a commitment to innovation and an understanding of the research community's needs, Labii is poised to play a vital role in advancing research through improved data communication. That's it for the serial port. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. To learn more, schedule a meeting with Labii representatives at call.skd.labii.com. or create an account at labii.com/signup to try it out yourself.